So before we upgrade the propeller shaft and cups, I just wanted to test out these red rim street tyres from Fast Tracks. They cost 11 quid and they have a bit of tread on them rather than the smooth stock tyres that came with the car. One of the problems with the first speed run was when I was turning round to come back again, the car just seemed to slip out and slide all over the place. I know doing speed runs, you're going in a straight line, you're not cornering, but I just wanted more grip and better handling when we were turning the car around. These things here just felt like they were more like drift tyres and we were just sliding around and we could do donuts and stuff. So we've switched to these red rim tyres with the tread and we're going to go out and see if we get an increase in speed, decrease in speed, or if it stays the same and we just have better handling. So these tyres have performed okay actually. The car handled a lot better when it was turning back round to do its speed runs and stuff. So I think handling wise, they've improved the car. Speed, we've remained at 19 miles an hour, which is great. We haven't decreased speed, so the tyres are going to remain on the car. Our next upgrade will be the propeller shaft and the cups as well. But for now, we've upgraded the car slightly for 11 quid with some tyres. Drop in the comments if you have better tyres for us to use. I'm sure we need to go to foams at some point and use contact tyres, but if you know of anything for the TT02 that's going to give better performance, then please let us know. Share your knowledge. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.